This is the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and after using it as my main phone, I can confidently say this is not just an upgrade. This is Samsung pushing everything to the absolute limit. Starting with the design, it feels more refined and more premium than ever, with a strong titanium frame, cleaner edges, slimmer bezels, and a massive 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display that looks absolutely stunning whether you're watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling social media. The brightness is crazy high, colors are vibrant but still natural, and the smooth, high refresh rate makes everything feel instant and fluid. Performance is on another level this year. Powered by the latest flagship processor with up to 16 gigabytes RAM, this phone handles heavy gaming, multitasking, video editing, and AI features without even heating up much, and it genuinely feels future-proof for years. But the biggest highlight is easily the camera system. The 200-megapixel main sensor captures insane levels of detail. The upgraded periscope zoom lets you zoom unbelievably far while still keeping clarity. Portraits look sharp with excellent edge detection, night mode is brighter but realistic, and the video stabilization makes handheld footage look almost professional. It honestly feels like carrying a DSLR in your pocket. Battery life is also better than before, with a larger battery that easily lasts a full day even with heavy usage, and fast charging helps you power up quickly when needed. And of course, the S Pen remains one of the most unique features on any flagship phone, perfect for note-taking, editing photos, signing documents, or even controlling the camera remotely. On the software side, Samsung's latest One UI with advanced AI features makes the experience smarter with better photo editing, live translation, call summaries, and long-term software updates that make this phone a safe investment. Yes, it is expensive, and yes, it's a big phone that may not be for everyone, but if you want the most complete Android flagship with top-tier performance, an industry-leading display, insane zoom capabilities, powerful battery life, premium build quality, and productivity features no one else offers, then the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra easily stands at the top in 2026.